Today we're going to be making my family's favorite basic brownie recipe. For this recipe you would need 1 cup of butter softened, 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 4 eggs, 3/4 cup of baking cocoa, 1 cup of flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, a cup of chopped walnuts. The first thing I'm going to do is cream the butter and sugar together. Next, we're going to add 1 egg at a time. I'm going to add the vanilla extract, the salt and baking powder. Give this a quick mix. Finally, I'm going to add the cocoa powder and the flour. Get this incorporated. And then finally fold in the chopped walnuts. Now we're just going to place this in a 13 by 9 inch baking dish that has been sprayed with cooking spray. Place in a 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And I start checking on it at 25 minutes because you don't want to overcook brownies. I cooked the brownies for about 28 minutes. Now I have them cooling on a wrap. Here's the brownies when they come out. And they're moist and chocolatey and decadent. They're just a great basic brownie.